yes, like parallel. Okay, guys.
Got him.
I think we should be.
What's up, everyone? Labi kvalitāte. I think the quality is amazing, guys.
What's up, buddies? What's up, legends?
What's up, everyone? What a day. What a fight. Here we go.
Triple bottom.
Hello, everyone. Let's wait for more people, and then we start. Meanwhile, type in the chat, where are you from? Are you trading? What are your profits for today? Or maybe you, I hope you didn't blow up your accounts, guys, because today was really nice day with a lot of opportunities to make money.
What a day to be alive. It is indeed. Indeed, guys. So, as you can see on the screen, right now we have still unrealized some profits. But for today, we have made $23.6 thousand already and still running 6. So really nice to see that. Really nice to see that.
Latvia 17k running. What do you mean by 17k?
70k in profits, brother.
Yeah. On demo? Be honest.
Be honest.
Small amount, but 0.5 up, so it's good. Yes, it's good. No matter how much you make, most important, you stay in the game as long as possible and you're making profits, even though it's a small profit, but that's a profit, guys.
Profit is a profit.
I'm from Cape Town. Nice. Live account. Okay.
So it's
Congratulations. If that's true, okay, I'm happy. Good evening, guys. Hello everyone. Let's wait for more people go. Then we're gonna maybe enter some trades.
Possibly.
Let's find nice entry. Let's make some more. If not, that's totally fine. Guys, this is what trading is about. In the previous week, we lost some, but this week covered everything. We made it back. We made it in positive balance. We gained back our profits, and we gained more profits on top of that.
We did indeed.
XNINE live, prop firm live, FTMO. Brother, please do not, please do not spam.
Whoa. Yeah.
Guys, do you trade a specific time session, or you just trade whenever you see a clear setup? Of course, it depends. If we have a really nice opportunity, fundamentals are flashing with a nice signal, technicals as well. So it depends. Sometimes we take break. For example, as I mentioned before, the previous week was so choppy and very hectic. That's why we lost some. Yeah, like it was like 2-3 consistent days in the red, but still we managed to maintain the risks properly. We survived, and now we are making back with the profits. And today, it's amazing day, making almost $30,000.
We can enjoy the fruits of being a good in the markets, of sticking to the rules, and now the fruits are amazing. And crypto is pumping as well. Ethereum at 2,100.
Finally, guys, I'm holding almost $700,000 Ethereum. Unrealized losses to almost $300,000, but that's on spot. Don't get me wrong, this is not a trading position. That's my spot holdings on a cold wallet, and I used to buy my Bitcoin since $20,000, $30,000, $40,000. I was DCAing and making really nice gains. I'm still in the profit in general for the past 3 years, but from all-time highs, I lost $300,000. So I'm happy that crypto is bouncing back, and I was mentioning about this in my Telegram channel that we are still having on a table bounce back to $80,000. I believe that, yes, we can bounce back to $80,000 Bitcoin and probably 2.7, maybe $3,000 Ethereum. But yeah, it all depends from the fundamentals, guys, from the new Federal Reserve, Kevin Warsh. Let's see if his policy is more dovish or hawkish, because that guy he's conservative. I'm really afraid that he will be very conservative, but still, that guy is more data driven. So if there will be a possibility for a rate cuts, I think he will accept it if the data will allow that. Brother, if you buy that M3 competition, please do not buy a neon color. Which color you want to buy, by the way? You know, there is not a lot of options, actually. We want something really...
My favorite color is pink.
Actually, there is MW M3 competition in the pink.
There will be.
There is.
See, it's interesting because the car is angry at itself. It looks sporty and everything, and if it's in pink, I think it will give an extra sauce to it. So, maybe in pink, maybe in glitters. Let's glitter it all around.
Will you dye your hair in pink as well?
Oh yeah.
If you're gonna buy pink.
Yeah, yeah, I would do it. I would do it. I will dye my hair the color the M3 will be.
Get a diamond colored. Oh damn.
Diamond colored. Watermelon green.
What are the fundamentals of Forex trading? You mean in general? If we talk about Forex in general, it means macroeconomic data for the whole country, US. You know, we all depend from US only, guys. What happens in US happens in whole world. I wonder if Renis knows who is Lil Peep. Of course he knows. You can ask this question to me because I'm 40 years old. And yeah, that's my question.
You will know what is Lil Peep.
You can always wrap up the car. Yes, you can wrap up, but that's such a long process, and sometimes you need always to update that wrap. I like the real color. Bro, I love you, man. I told you on Instagram, I'm from Ethiopia. I want your community, bro. Okay, thank you. Brother, please give me some learning how to enter the trades, how to find the trades. You can find the best trades in XNINE. Our community is free. You can join and learn, get the education, courses, mentor support, risk management support, everything. You can learn there. You see, I cannot teach you here sitting for 1 hour and showing everything that's possible. But today we might enter some trades. We might enter.
Quick ones.
What are your thoughts on gold? How will it react in Asia session tomorrow? Oh,
good question.
Good question. I didn't thought about the Asian session. I think we should trade someday during the Asian session, right? Let's try. Maybe.
Would you guys tune up to Asia session, live trading session?
Yeah. Raise up your hands who can join the stream during the Asian session. Rise up your hands. I don't know if there is many people who can join. Gold just pumped and broke the structure. What do you think?
I wouldn't say it broke the structure. So the next goal is to break the structure. Right now we are. Do you see the charts? Yeah, you can see the charts. So basically there was this big dump. And now there hasn't been new higher highs from here. And if we look into smaller time frame, which is this formation right here, there is almost double top forming, but there isn't new higher highs. So right now it's in a process of making this uptrend movement, but it hasn't made it. So
show our gold trade today. We made such a crazy trade.
Yeah, give me a second.
Almost in 1 hour we hit all 4 take profits.
Yes.
That was such an amazing algorithm. We catched it. So unbelievable profits. Look at the gold trade that we did
with the
XNINE community today.
Wait a minute. I will put on
So I see a lot of hands. So you can join Asian session. Okay, let's try it. Let's try. Next time we can try the Asian session. Brother, can you tell I can start crypto trading? You can start, of course.
Yeah, this was.
Do you need my permission or what? How to join? You can find a link below. You can follow the link and then you will see, you will join the public Telegram channel and then you can join the closed VIP group for free. Everything is for free, guys. Nothing, we do not charge anything. You just join for free. All you need, just use one of our partnered brokers and that's it. Gold is easy to predict in long term, won't lie. Of course, predicting in long term and holding the position, that's the basic. But you know, not many people and retailers have a lot of money to make profits in the long term. They want to, like, you know, over leverage.
In the long term, to hold gold and to trade gold in the long term, you really need a big capital so you can hold some drawdowns as well. And if you have small capital, there is 0 to nothing chance that you will hold it, because with $100 gold can wipe you out with 0.01 lot size. So that's a big one. But yeah, looking at gold right now, it's kind of easy to see where it's heading.
Okay, hello. I mean, like, what I consider what I'm doing fundamental analysis. Sorry, guys. Today I'm really hyped, so I'm speaking a little bit fast. So about fundamental analysis, guys, this is something, I think fundamental analysis is really important, and it's so different compared to the technical analysis. You need to know a lot about economics and how actually the trading system works, because you know, trading wasn't designed for retailers. It was designed for institutions, for quant trading, for hedge funds, hedging the risks to reduce the exposures. But retailers are just a side product. Actually, it's like side effect of trading. We are here serving as a liquidity. Do not forget that. So that's why our first mission is to survive, and surviving by proper risk management. So of course, fundamental analysis, you need to learn what is macroeconomic data. You need to learn what is GDP, at least GDP. A lot of people don't know what is GDP. So start with the simple things: macroeconomic data, inflation, deflation, recession, so soft landing, hard landing in economy, because you need to study that. And that's kind of boring for many people. They want to just watch a TGR with these strategies and make money, but they don't know anything about the economics, unfortunately. Because it's really hard to sell. Fundamental analysis is really hard to sell. You need to dive deep and understand all the terms.
No, we don't trade indexes, especially NASDAQ and S&P. We look at them as tools for fundamentals.
You both sit as a students, sit on their favorite desk in school. What a comparison. Nice one, nice one. You know, next time I will sit at my computer there. I just didn't want to, like, you know, change the setup right now. Today is really hype stream. We didn't plan it, but we made almost $30,000. We couldn't, like, go live. We couldn't. Guys, amazing. Thank you for support. X9 community was so amazing. A lot of people joined X9 community, and I had a really nice time communicating, connecting with the people, helping them with the Renis, with my team, with the Eric. Eric is sitting right there. He's still scalping his trades. Brother, I want to know from where you learn about crypto trading, all aspects of it. You know, actually, you can implement all your knowledge from any markets, from stock markets, from Forex trading, precious commodities. It all can be used in crypto trading as well. So basically, if you have ever traded, for example, gold, you can swap and trade crypto as well, but that's more volatile. You need to know the crypto is more volatile market, so be careful with the leverage, please. Be careful with the leverage. I'm 18 years old, dropped out of college, no income, no family support, and can't move away or fund my trading. In this situation, how should someone realistically start building a strong base? Oh my God. So first of all, find something, some kind of passion, that can bring you income, or find a job, daily job, and start making your first capital. Without your first capital, you cannot do nothing in trading, guys. I would suggest making at least $3,000 and then you can move on. Yes, that's a really nice sweet spot to start. Stock versus options. What do you mean stock versus options?
What do you prefer, stocks or options?
You mean options? That's a way of derivatives. You mean options? You can trade stocks with options as well.
You can trade crypto with options as well.
Yeah. We do not trade options, guys. Options is so different, like from classic trading. I don't want to try options. That's not my field, guys. Bald head scalper Eric. Yeah, he's a scalper, bald scalper. For beginners, how to learn fundamental analysis. Read the books about Adam Smith, how economy was built. What was the gold standard? What is a free economy? Invisible hand that is controlling the markets. There is a really nice, a lot of things to learn, actually. People don't get it, how the economy works. Congratulations for the future car. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We're gonna buy M3 right now, and then I'm gonna buy Lambo probably after 3-4 months, because I need to find the perfect Lamborghini Sterrato for myself. And we will use BMW M4 for daily driving just.
Yes or no?
Order blocks or fair value gaps. I would say I would choose footprints. I would choose the footprints. Order flow. With cumulative volume delta, it works perfectly. Maybe we will try today. Can you show the new indicator that we?
Yeah.
We can trade on, by using indicator. Let's have fun. Let's make indicator trades. Do you want to see? Maybe we will be lucky today by using indicator. Need a video on your desk setup? Maybe, but yeah, I have a room tour, house tour. You can watch it.
So basically, guys, I built a really interesting indicator that just showcased from some of algorithms that I mentioned to the code, and it shows these red and green circles when to short the market and when to long the market. And we could have some fun and see how this indicator works, and is it possible to make anything from it, and yeah. Whoa, gold is ripping down to the downside, and this is what I wanted to see, which is 30-minute imbalance.
Let's catch them all. Let's call.
If there will be reaction to the upside and I will see a green dot, I will enter the trade. For now, we need to be patient and wait.
Where are you from? We are from Latvia. That's a small country. No one knows Latvia. We're not from Dubai. We are not from Miami. So we're simple guys just making our fortune.
This was a nice sweep and fill. There could be a little bit more.
So I should read about GDP and macroeconomics. I'm good to go for fundamental analysis. Not actually, but yeah, this is a really nice start. Then you need to learn how the Federal Reserve works, the money printing machine, treasury bills, quantitative easing, quantitative tightening, monetary policy. You need to know everything. Actually, this is so hard, but yeah, I love it because I studied economics with Eric. We were in university studying international relationship and economics. That gave me a strong base to enter the markets.
Also on 5 minutes, 50 moving average just was tested.
Guys, you have a cool dynamic. The funny guy, then the analyst. Thank you, brother. Thank you. I see a lot of action today in the chat. I'm so happy. Guys, thank you for joining the stream. Today is an amazing day. We made almost $30,000. Yeah. Of course, with some unrealized part of it, but still, today is an amazing day. We survived the choppy days when the gold dumped, Now we are back on track, making back with the profits. So yeah, I'm really happy. I have so much energy today. I traveled to Latvia a year ago. Nice. How did you like it? Latvia is 100 times better than the Sand area. I traveled a year ago. Nice, nice.
We trade on 1 minute 15 seconds. Have traded even on 1 second time frame, but it's hard. It's hard.
Guys, vote in the chat. Will we make some extra profits today or not? But be honest. Can we catch the trend? Can we catch the move? Yes, we are streaming from MacBook, and behind me there is a PC. This one is a PC, this one is MacBook.
Show us 1 second chart. Here you go, brother.
At what age you all both started your first ever trade? I was actually 23, 22 years old when I started to trade. I used my money that I needed to spend on the rent. I was living with my girlfriend. I needed that money for the rent. I spent it in a Forex trading Euro USD and I lost everything. So yeah, so she kicked me out. She kicked me out. So I broke up with her because I lost my first money in a Forex, guys. That's a true story actually, and Eric knows that.
On this trade, we're gonna risk only 500 bucks, and I'm gonna close it manually. So just open a position, saw $400 in profits. Right now it's 200 bucks. We'll see, because here was this this green indicator that is showcasing that there is a buy signal from this indicator. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens.
Shame, shame for her. You know, actually, that was a painful loss for me. Actually, not her, but that money which I lost. That was painful. But yeah, I learned a lot from that moment. You know, that was a year 2008. There was no information how to trade properly, no strategies, no technical analysis, just simple, you know, head and shoulders and all these triangles. Nothing valuable, actually.
Maybe we're gonna get out of this. But let's play around and see. 50.
What's your strategy? We use different strategies. We can use, like, as I mentioned before, order flow, smart money concept. Sometimes Rainis implement the ICT as well, but most important is, like, it's more about psychological thing.
This will be the first stop, but it's gonna be small.
Let's do that.
No, it won't stop out. It won't stop out.
Let's wait, guys.
Yeah. Let's see. Hey, if it goes.
Someone asked, how much is girlfriend important for the trading actually? I want to know. I would say, if you don't have a girlfriend, you have advantage.
Oh, wait. Haven't stopped out? I think, yeah, we got stopped out of this one. All good. Let's wait and see what the indicator does. We play around here. Minus 500 bucks. It's good.
Lebron, when market conditions change, how do you decide whether you adopt your strategy or stop trading altogether? Of course, as I mentioned before, when the Kevin Walsh was announced, the dollar became much stronger, and that destroyed the whole market, especially gold, silver, all the precious commodities, as well. The tech AI stocks dropped hard, and Bitcoin was affected as well. That was such a choppy and hectic market, guys. We lost some money, and that's okay. With the proper risk management, we lost money, but we didn't blow up our account. Now we are back on track, making profits back. So yeah, that's what trading is, guys. It's about fight. It's about war. It's not like always making profits. You lose, and then you come back. You make a bigger profits compared to the loss. Take lower, less risk, Rainis. You're already in a profit today. Don't take a big risk. Haha. I can only show you the door. You are that has to walk through it from Matrix.
Yeah, that's from Matrix.
Thank you. See, someone is teaching you about risk management.
Hey, I'm risking $500 on $300,000 account. It's not even 0.1%. And let's see if this one hits take profits. If it will be nice. Wait, let's move it to 500 points.
How much we have in profits?
Right now, 800 bucks.
800?
Whoa, it was fast. It was 800, now it's 500.
Guys, this is scalping. We're just doing this for fun. It's okay.
Yeah, the first trade went into minus $542. Right now we are at plus 700, so we are in profits right now still. Let's see if this goes. As soon as I see 1K, yep. Perfect. So we just made $1,000 as well. Wait!
What the hell? You closed the position?
Yeah, I closed it.
Damn, look at that.
So we lost 500 at the first one, and then we made $1,100 bucks on the second one. So $600 in profits.
Sometimes when we are bored with the rainies, we just sit and using this indicator just for fun, guys. But please, don't get me wrong. Trading is not about this. This is just for fun. We created this indicator. Can you tell more about the indicator, how we created it? Just tell more about it.
So yeah, as you mentioned, when we are bored, we are trying to do new stuff. And I played around with some tools that I like to use while I'm trading myself. And I made indicator that is working with AI to find these concepts that I'm using in the markets, and then it shows the best possible entries for shorts and longs. And and it played out. On the first one, it played out as well, but the take profit was too high for me. But still, it went into, wait a minute, almost $600 in profits. So yeah, played around, but it's still have some work to do on it.
So we lost one trade, we made one trade profitable, one loss, but we're still in profits. How much in scalping? 600, right?
Right now, 600 in profits. Yeah.
$600 we made just with using this indicator. Let's catch some more moves.
I just opened a long 48.15. 48.15. This maybe is going to be a little bit bigger with stop losses. Risking $1,000 on this one.
Let's make safe trade together. This is pure scalping, guys.
Yeah.
By using the indicator that we were building this indicator in January, right?
Yeah.
During the January, when everyone was partying, we were building on the 1st January, guys. Everyone had the hangover, but we did our job, guys. Our passion.
So basically, this is a backtesting as well, seeing how the indicator is working and what is giving to us. And basically, see, we have a vision. On 30 minutes, we have this imbalance as well. Right now, it filled it, swept it, and it could have some reaction to the upside. So this is a nice place to be as well in the markets.
Oh yeah. Who here seeing a Picasso setup? What do you mean?
Wait, I will show the Picasso setup. Give me a second. Where is it? This one.
Is there any way to experiment with your indicator? Yes, we'll probably give this indicator for our community VIP group. Maybe next month we will implement it. Just for fun, guys, but you need to be really safe and cautious, yes. This indicator requires a lot of knowledge, actually.
I'm gonna close this as well with $600 in profits.
How much you made?
600 on this one. So
1.2K.
Around 1,200, yeah.
1.2K in profits for the stream, guys.
Fast.
Yeah. So in total, we are today in profits in all the trades.
Let me check a minute. Give me a second. Closed, but it's still ripping.
Can you make a bigger screen of this?
Yeah.
People do not see the trade.
So for today, we made $24,700 and we have $8,000 running.
$32,000 with unrealized. 32.
Yeah, and plus just scalped gold and made around 1200 bucks. Why?
How to know when you go in? You should watch the stream how Renis did it. You can see these. Can you explain when we enter, because they do not see probably these dots?
Yeah, you don't. Wait just a minute. So basically there is this indicator that we made, and it shows these buy and sell, or long or short, these labels, and when they show, I just automatically go into trade and go with the flow. But you still need to make a technical analysis over the whole market and to see where is bullish stronger or bearish side stronger, and see the fundamentals as well in general. And
see, one guy is saying it is so much fun watching people trading live instead of casual teaching video, not gonna lie. But you see, that's why a lot of people lose, because they accept trading as a fun, as a gambling, and that's why they lose. First of all, to operate properly in this market, you need to learn everything about the market, especially fundamentals, some strategies, and your psychology and risk management. This is the most important part. If you don't have a proper risk management and psychology, 100% you will blow up your account sooner or later. So first comes the educations and then fun.
This is your favorite part, LeBron. You like the volume footprints?
Here's with the cumulative volume delta. Can you show?
The cumulative I didn't use.
Okay, that's the footprint with the order flow.
Yeah. And
you have an order book, right? And
look, we had the imbalance here. It came, retested it, the same on 30-minute imbalance, and from there we took longs. So it was just pure reaction from volume footprints, not using anything else. So it was good. It was good. Goody good.
How important is to have a team of like-minded people to trade with? It's really important. I would say you don't need to be surrounded by a lot of buddies, but at least one or two guys that are like-minded, and they are on the same vibe, same vision with you. That's really important. Guys, I'm actually a very lonely guy. I love to be in a solitude, but being with Renis and Eric, these are my guys, and I don't need anyone else. We are on the same flow, guys. I don't care about parties, I don't care about loud events. All I care about is my team, guys, my community.
And growth.
And growth, right. Mental growth, physical growth, health, clean mind, clean food, no alcohol, no smoking.
Do you tell people what you do to make your money when they ask? Of course. Why did Renis close this trade early? He should have waited a little longer. I know it hit full take profits now, but I took the movement and I took some profits, and it's not bad to take profits, guys. If you see any profits, just take them, because by pressing one button because of seeing some green label on the charts, and you can make money from it, why not to close it? But it played out beautifully. If we would close it at the top right now here, where was the take profit, it would be around 1,600. But yeah, we took home 600. Missed out on
the big screen.
Yeah, we missed out on 1K, but still, hey.
So show these 3 trades, 1 loss and 2 take profits.
Give me just a minute.
By using this indicator alone. So there is one question. I wish I had someone to trade with in real life, but unfortunately everyone thinks in my area that this is a scam. You know, I get it why they think so, because there is a lot of scam in trading, guys. Those guys who are making $10 million in trading, these are just bullshit guys. The clones. They don't trade, actually. They're just paper traders. Guys, do not believe that you can make from $1,000 $1 million. It's impossible. I'm saying it because I know I'm inside in this industry. I know how it works, how actually everything is designed. You cannot make from $1,000 $1 million. That's a fucking bullshit. If you believe in that, go ahead. That's why people call it a scam, unfortunately. A lot of young guys on internet just creating content, selling courses, and just fooling around. What do you think of Alex G? I was just talking about this. If you think that, you know, okay, I don't want to point fingers about him. He's a cool guy on making content creation, but he's not a good in trading at all. He never made the money, actually. I know that. I don't want to talk about him anymore, please. This bullshit making $1,000 into $1 million. Guys, I'm not making $10 million in trading. I'm not.
Me either. I haven't made a million in trading. I think you haven't either. $1 million in trading. Trading futures and trading with leverage.
Yeah, trading futures alone, no. But I made the my best year was $800,000 in 1 year. But you need to consider that I had like $300,000 account. $300,000, making from $300,000 $800,000. That's possible
in a year, not in a trade.
Yeah, not in a one trade or in 1 month, especially from $1,000. What do you think about Fabio Valentini's scalping method with deep charts? Actually, that guy is smart. I don't know about his statistics because you know, there is no metrics or some kind of real evidence that he's making millions. But that guy he's at least smart. He knows what he's talking about. He knows.
Let's open one more. It just showed a buys. Let's see. If this plays out, this is going to be last trade with this one.
What did Porsche say in their Instagram message? Yeah, guys, if you didn't know, Porsche messaged me and they wanted to use some of my content on their main page. They asked permission and they would love to collaborate. And I said, okay, why not? Let's do that. Okay. Maybe in the future we'll make a collab and we'll see something different and really nice. That's a bold statement. Alex FXG is all right. Okay, he's all right as a content creator, but not as a trader, guys. If you know his story, before he started to make this challenge from $100 to 1 million, he had a signal group for 2 months, like we do, and his signal group failed. He lost money in front of 160,000 followers. He lost all his money. Not all, I think. Sorry, I'm misleading. He just made unprofitable months, and then he realized he cannot make money online by documenting all of his trades openly. Then he went to make this challenge, and that challenge is bullshit. It's just for weak minds. If someone can believe that you can make from $1,000, $1 million, please. It's not X9. We are not here for this shit. X9 is different, guys. We are showing everything transparently. We are showing what real trading is. It's not about fairy tales. It's not about making fast and easy money. It's about commitment. It's about being consistent. It's about risk management. It's about knowledge. And in general, if your life is hectic, if you are like, I don't know, you do not follow any rules in your life in general, you will be unprofitable in trading as well.
LeBron, make a video how to turn $100 into $1 million. Say less, brother.
What is your opinion about Dowie FX? Is he really that good? He turned $25,000 into $100,000. I don't know, actually. I know that guy. He's from Lithuania. I think he has a cool vibe. He has a cool vibe. But I don't know. I don't know anything about his trades, actually. Sorry, I cannot comment. LeBron, make a video how to turn $100 into $1 million. Yes, I will fail 100 times, 1,000 times, because I don't have my own broker to draw the numbers like the Alex G. Unfortunately.
It made the sales. It went so good, but then it went into break even.
So you entered the trade. I missed. Sorry.
I entered the trade, yeah, a while ago. Holding on to it because I see the potential in general for this move to the upside, and we'll see what is at this point. Let's see who is who is smarter, me with my eyes or indicator with algorithm? It says to short the markets right now. It says to short the markets right now, but I'm still in the longs because I see this bounce to the upside for gold. Hey, we'll see what it does. What about AJ currency strategy? Maybe you can tell more about his strategy. I don't know his strategy. What do you do? How does he trade?
The guy asked how much the my Porsche costed. Was it customized? Yes, I had a customized spoiler from TechCard, but in general that car cost me $150,000. But I sold it.
In total or just car?
No, in total. Car.
Yeah. Okay.
Does he make that money from trading courses? Of course. He has a huge audience. He's very good at creating content, retaining attention. He's very good at this, not in trading. And trading is just a side. It's like trading is to attract people to buy his product, and that's it. Alex did confirm he makes selling courses is more profitable. 100%.
Yeah, it is.
If he admits this, what kind of question, what else you want to ask me? He's not profitable Forex trader. He's profitable course seller, 100%. I'm not against Alex. He's a cool guy. But, you know, fooling people, that's not good. Which indicator do you use? It shows the buy and sell. Yeah, you probably missed.
Shh, that's a secret. For now, that's a secret. If you're not in VIP XNINE...
We're making profits again, right?
Yeah.
Guys, it will be... we had 3 trades. Now we opened 4th.
Don't call it. Don't call it.
Don't jinx it.
Don't jinx it.
Let's see how much we can make.
I want to close it right here because there could be a potential reaction. A little bit more push to the upside and I'm gonna close it. Wait, let's have a little bit of a fun with
When you all move to Dubai for 0 taxes?
Never.
I would love to, but you know, if we will be in Dubai, we will be looking same as all these gurus. I don't want to look like these gurus from Miami, from Dubai. I'm just simple guy from a forest villa. I'm living in a forest in my villa.
Let me close off.
And just having fun here. I don't want to be a Dubai guy. Sorry, guys.
So we just booked partial takes with $400 on top of it, and let's move the stop loss to break even. And let's run the position. Let's have it as a runner with one lot size still
what
open.
A day today. What the hell is happening? What a day. We're just like blowing. That's crazy, guys.
Blowing up the markets. Stop loss to break even.
We already found BMW M3, which we want to buy. We're gonna buy it soon. Maybe next week you will see it. But the taxes, yes, that's a tax heaven. I'm not arguing about that, but you know, I'm not sure if I want to live there. Actually, guys, I bought a villa in Spain, Marbella. If you know Marbella, Malaga, Marbella. I bought there a villa in front of the golf course.
Yeah.
Yeah, golf course. Sorry.
The biggest one in Europe. It's insane.
Yeah, biggest La Cala Golf. I bought their house, and I will be living there as well. Maybe in the summer we're gonna create a new content from Spain. Yeah, with the Lamborghini Storado and BMW M3.
M3 competition, baby.
M3 competition, right?
This is your Picasso, bro. This is our Picasso in the markets. It looks like it's going to go to break even.
Can you explain more about indicator? Because a lot of new people tuned in. Maybe they didn't know. Explain again how it works.
So basically, me and LeBron were bored, and we combined the strategies and concepts that we are using on a daily basis in the markets, and we put it into a automatic indicator that uses AI to seek these concepts and strategies and show us where to enter the trades and where to not enter the trades. So yeah, we got stopped out at break even, but still we made $400 from this trade. So in total, with trading with this indicator, we made let's calculate about 1.7k, I think, or my math is
almost $2,000 during the stream, guys.
1.6, yeah, $1,600 playing around with this indicator.
So as I mentioned before, when we are feeling kind of bored, we just use this indicator on evenings just to have fun.
Yo. And look, the shorts as well. The short play here,
it works perfectly sometimes, right? I'm even scared.
Yeah,
I'm so scared to see this.
Let's turn off it. Let's turn off it. Maybe somebody will have a hectic night tonight if we leave it open.
Guys, we're gonna probably implement this indicator in XNINE community soon, maybe for special guys who knows how to manage risks. If their risk management is perfect, we're gonna provide him this indicator. But I know a lot of people are having huge problems with the risk management.
So today we made $25.2 thousand realized, and unrealized we have 8. So we upped our today's profits by $1.6 thousand. Insane.
So someone said, like, even ICT, Inner Circle Trader, admitted he makes more money with the courses than trading. Lol. Of course, but at least ICT is providing some kind of valuable information. He provides education. I know he's selling courses, that's not good, but at least his method works really nice for many people. I'm not saying ICT is perfect, fair value gap is not perfect, smart money concept is not perfect, but at least that's something. When I see those people who are trading by head and shoulders, I have a lot of questions about their knowledge, actually.
AJ buys where every strategy known like ICT, SR, SD, SMC traders are shorting. For example, he enters counter on 1 minute time frame. You cannot see that thing, but if you can do that, it's nice, but I haven't used it in practice, so I cannot comment on it. If it's good or bad. Are you using multiple break-off structure points? It depends. It depends on the trade.
Well, someone asking to turn back the...
Yeah, no, bro, please don't turn it off.
Maybe you actually... Right. It's up to you to take your risks, guys, please. It's not financial advice. Do not trade if you don't know how to properly manage your risks.
And this stream isn't financial advice. This isn't to show you how to make money or whatever. It's just playing around and 2 guys in a room having fun. So please manage your risks on your own, okay? So I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna turn on the volume footprint as well for you guys, and you can look and see how it's going. When will the course for XNINE be ready?
The courses will be ready maybe in 12 days, maybe 12 days.
Hopefully.
Guys,
see, guys, we can drop 1 video or 2 videos, but we want to drop the whole course for you, and it will take a little bit longer for us to make them. And yeah.
Renis is working hard to create these technical analysis strategies. I'm working on fundamentals, on risk management tools. So someone has asked, can you make a video about risk management? Yes, I'm going to create a whole video about how the trading is designed, the history, how the proper risk management works with psychology. Psychology and risk management, these are two most important pillars in trading. You need to start from risk management, and only then you can master strategy, guys. Which type of traders are you?
The best ones.
Number 1.
Number 1 traders. We are day traders. Personally, me, I'm a day trader. LeBron more is
swing
trader and investor, I would say.
But we combined our knowledge, and we are making really nice new strategies, new approaches with the trading setups.
We are. And for the courses and everything, if you are in XNINE, yesterday I dropped a small PDF file, what I created for myself when I started to trade gold, what I'm seeking in London sessions and New York sessions.
Someone said it's demo account. What the hell? Can you show?
Yeah, let me.
What do you mean demo account? We do not trade demo.
This is the account. You can see I'm moving it. It's no video. Wait, I can show it as well in here. And as you can see on the screen, read it yourself. Read it yourself.
What do you think about Krallo, Thomas Krallo, right? I know he's a guy from Latvia. He used to live in Latvia. He catched the trend of crypto when the retro drops, NFT projects, all these, when the crypto just was on a hype. When crypto was hyping, he made his fortune. He jumped into this business. He created really nice content for the people in general, but about as a trader, I don't know, guys. I don't care about everyone around me on social media. I don't care. I care about Renis. I care about my team. I don't care about anyone. And actually, I do not watch anyone in trading field to learn trading. I learn trading only from my experience now, and that's it.
There is no price range. The courses is going to be totally free for XNINE members, guys. Totally, it's just for XNINE members inside of the community. And to join XNINE is totally for free as well, so...
Everything is for free. XNINE is for free, guys. What the hell? Are you following my Instagram? Everything is for free, guys. We do not charge anything. You join the community, you just use one of our brokers or exchanges, and that's it. You get the access to all the materials, our trading setups, exclusive content, market reviews, everything, fundamental reviews. I'm doing a daily posts about the crypto, what's happening in macroeconomic field. And so yeah, everything is for free, guys.
I want to give one advice to someone who is trying to be a better trader and what will make you a better trader. This isn't sponsored, by the way, and it won't be sponsored, I think so. TradingView Premium, guys. These trades that we took, it was only on 15 seconds, and you cannot find 15-second time frame nowhere except of TradingView Premium. And if we go into 1 minute, these signals weren't there, only one was there. So with TradingView Premium, you can split the screens, see the volume footprints as well, and have more to yourself to analyze the markets more deeper. So if you're trying to seek more trades, it's not good, but if you're trying to seek more trades, then TradingView Premium is the way to go.
I'm sorry, guys, the chat is today very active and I missed some messages, so I'm sorry for that. You can repeat your messages. I will try to answer all the questions. But as you see, we are trading as well. I'm trying to explain everything about XNINE, about fundamental things. So it's not easy. It's not easy to manage all the messages. I'm sorry, guys. New member, lots of love. Thank you, thank you. Welcome to XNINE.
Wait, I want to show the...
What is your perspective on quantitative trading? We do not implement quantitative trading. I think quantitative trading, quant traders are complete different creatures.
They are animals.
They're an animal.
In a good way, in a good way.
And they have like a completely different data that we do not have. So let's be real, quantitative trading for us is not possible.
So I want to showcase quickly XNINE Group and what we have done in the past 24 hours. So as you can see, these are the results for, but on the gold trade that we had today. It was really quick. Not quick, it was like, I think, an hour. It was sent in into 4:15 and it closed at 1 hour, yeah, 1 hour and 15 minutes. Then we had this beautiful GBP USD trade as well. And Euro USD, when markets opened today, it hit all the take profits. And yeah, market analysis. And this is the PDF I was talking about. So made it when I was starting to trade, and it's really simple and small, but it makes a lot of sense what is there and what I was seeking in the concepts and strategies. So yeah, I hope you liked it.
We are working hard every day, guys, just to maintain all the information providing for our community. So basically, if someone thinks my life is about fun, it's not. It's actually always living in the process, chasing goals, providing some value in content. I think we can all admit that our content is cinematic, right? I'm working hard, and I'm investing a lot of money and time and knowledge into this content. We are trying to be, I wouldn't say different, but just in some way unique. We're trying our best, and to do that, we do not have a time for simple fun, guys. We do not have parties, so we do not hang around.
Riggsy, 4040, you have some problems joining the group. Text Levron or me on Instagram, and we're gonna help you with this. It says that your country is banned, so yeah.
There is a really nice question, but you guys also make commission from broker, right? Isn't it the same like course selling or something? No, it's not the same. And here is the answer why. Because you will pay this commission no matter what. You're gonna pay this commission everywhere. On any exchanges, brokers, on stock trading, option tradings, you always pay commissions. So here is the deal. We work hard every day providing the free courses, free community, free trading setups, content that we provide as you as well. You cannot imagine how much this content cost me to produce. So basically, when you just enter the broker and you trade alongside us, you're just supporting us through your commission, and that's it. You don't need to spend $7,000 or $5,000 on Alex G course. It's mind-blowing. Who is paying for the course? $5,000. Are you kidding me? This bullshit doesn't cost even a few bucks. But someone is paying $5,000, and none of them are millionaires, guys.
Levron, how many watches you have?
Zero. I'm not a fancy guy. I don't want to be cocky with all these watches. But he have a simple watch,
and
right?
This watch is Casio. It was gifted to me when I turned 16, and it is 9 years old now.
Guys.
Still rocking it. Well, this is his watch. Look, this is going to be good.
Guys, I'd rather buy this one. $25,000 red camera.
It's crazy.
I don't need these watches. I want to create something valuable. And this thing creates just unbelievable things if you know how to use it properly. So I don't care about watches. I care about lenses, about cameras, about the technology. I don't care about watches.
Okay, Riggsy, I'm gonna get to you after the stream, okay? How do you think about open range breakout strategy? It's good. Every strategy is good if you know how it works and how to properly use it. Every strategy is good. For everyone, everybody uses different strategies.
Exactly. Guys, there is no perfect strategies. Every strategy is just raising your probabilities. Just probabilities. And sometimes your strategy can fail many times. That's why you need to stick properly to risk management to survive with this strategy as long as possible. There is no 100% guarantee with any strategies, guys. How many cameras you got? I used to have 4. Right now I have 3. You will hit 100K subscribers this year. Thank you. That's our goal. We're gonna release a lot of new videos soon. A lot of new videos, guys. Not in Dubai, not in Miami, but here. From small country, just 2 simple guys.
Sitting in a room and trading.
Yeah, sitting in a room, doing their passion, living their life. Who is dressing? Well, I missed my question, sorry. How do you know Lucky 13? Because I'm his customer. He's a cool guy. He's living in Dubai. We're really nice friends. I'm always buying some tech card for Porsche from him, and he's giving me a really nice discounts.
Let's make it more interesting. This is my Picasso, guys.
Do you have a Discord channel? Not now. We'll probably open our Discord channel maybe next month. Let's see. Right now we have an Instagram, Telegram groups, VIP groups, where we trade Forex, precious commodities, we trade crypto. So yeah, everything what we do, we provide for free for our community.
Bro, 7 losing streak. Any advice? By the way, I'm following my risk management. It's good, but you need to follow your money management as well, and risk and money management in general. You don't need to have more than 3 losing trades a day. If you lost 3 trades a day, just don't trade for the day. Let your brain rest a little bit. Is the phone stand good? It is. It is really good. You can charge the phone, AirPods, and the Apple Watch as well on the one stand. And it's good. It's really comfy if you have it like here, and you can. Yeah. Where are you guys going for your next trip? It's a secret for now. Yes, Kaspars. Not as active as it was in the prime times, but it's still active, and there is still movement there. But it's invite only group for, so yeah.
How do you manage your $300,000 account? Actually, I have many different accounts. $300,000 account on Forex, it's only for trading precious commodities and currency pairs, but we have on crypto account on Bybit with a $300,000. On Wix we have almost $80,000. So yeah, we have many different accounts. So in general, I think our trading capital is around $1 million probably, but of course I do not trade every day with the whole capital, don't get me wrong.
And how do you manage it? You just risk 1%?
Sorry, yeah. How do we manage it? We do not jump into the hype trains. This is the first rule. When we saw that silver hikes, all these elevated levels with the silver and gold, we decided not entering all these trades. I hate hype trains, guys. Everything what is hyped, it means you already missed the train, but you are jumping into that trade and losing. So basically, yeah, I don't like hyping. You need to buy before the hype. Does LeBron only have 1 Bitcoin or more? No, 1 Bitcoin, I was just, that was a trade, spot trading. But in general, I own probably, I don't want to lie, maybe 3.5 Bitcoins on cold wallets. And I own Ethereums as well. A lot of Ethereums, I don't remember. A lot of Ethereums.
No, I said that was the last trade. See, this is the thing, guys. Everybody will have this thing. When you open these trades and you are saying, this is the last trade for the day, but you still are looking at the charts and you have, there is opportunity to open more trades. And then you break the rule of not trading anymore for today. You open A positions, you lose them, you start to revenge trade and you lose more. And right now I had this one thing, which was, hey, but there is a break of 15 moving average. Maybe we should open a continuation. No, we stopped. We made the trades. We opened 4 positions in the stream.
Made 3 profits, 1 loss.
Yeah.
That's it.
And as I mentioned on the last trade, this is the last trade. If it hits, it hits. If
Switch
it doesn't,
to the bigger screen. Can we show again all the trades?
Oh yeah, let's do it.
So a lot of people just tune in. They didn't see the trades.
So. On the micro, we longed. This was the first stop here. Then we shorted, then we longed it, and then we longed it again. And yeah, and the results are here. So we have the last 4 positions, minus 500, plus 1,100, then 600 and 400. So basically $1,600 just by using one indicator that shows where to open positions. Beautiful.
Subscribed already for your transparency, guys. Much love. Thank you. I really admire when people mention about our transparency, because this is the main goal when we started XNINE. We want to be honest with the people about what is trading actually, and trading is not fairy tales, and trading is not those guys in Miami living with $20 million in their pockets. It's not about trading, guys. So yeah, trading is something really difficult to manage for many people because of our psychology and biology. A lot of people cannot control their greed and fear, and that's the biggest issue actually. There is no strategy that can help you if you have some issues with your psychology. Gladiators are made here.
MetaTrader 5 is good for executing positions. It's just only based to execute a positions, nothing else. You have, for example, broker called Vantage that we use, for example, and then you connect these two and trade on MetaTrader 5. It's really simple. It's really simple. Nothing more to say, and you can open, close positions, and see all the history and everything.
Let it be. Let's see. So guys, we will probably leave our active trades till tomorrow. Let's see if they will hit our targets. I hope so. I hope so.
I want to show the targets as well on the bigger time frames because these are a little bit longer trades. Oh, the take profit second one, I think. Yeah, this is the second take profit on this position that we scaled up, as you saw on the stories. We scaled one position up on the euro US dollar, and it was sent in by different algorithm that we have made for XNINE members as well. And the take profit 3 will hit soon. We have take profit 4 here, and yeah, it's amazing to see, amazing to see. And for USD JPY, the shorts, long weighted short from daily imbalance. So yeah, wait, I will show you this on the charts as well. The short in USD JPY. We were talking about this with the group as well on the London session and everything. So basically, what is gold, not gold, but USD JPY doing? It's bouncing from the level it created on 1990, the previous highs from 1990.
Imagine.
It was a long time ago, and right now USD JPY is fighting this level. Either it will go higher, and these are the levels if it will go up, but it will be dramatic for economy.
It all depends on the rate cuts in Japan right now, because there is a big issue. They don't know if they should rise the rate cuts or not. So if they will, this will be a huge impact on GPY. So yeah. So
this level is super reactive, and on the previous week, not on the previous week, on the last week, on January, we saw this big dump to the downside, made this huge imbalance, waited for a rebalance and reaction to the downside. Simple.
You know, guys, why Japan is really important in a trading and whole in economy, in the world economy? Because I will tell you one thing. A lot of US companies, investors, they are buying GPY, Japanese yen, right? They are buying that currency because it has zero interest rate. So they borrow money from Japan banks, and they use that money to acquire assets, risky assets like Bitcoin, whatever, like AI tech stocks, buying gold, silver. So it's a cheap money, and they are using it. And if something happens in Japan, it will like impact everything. It will impact everything, guys.
Yeah, I see. I know that you are the first one who noticed this. My phone is showing a wrong time when I connect to OBS system, the streaming system. I don't know why it happens, but it's not 9 in the morning. It's almost 9 at night. So yeah, that's something that is happening.
Now people will think it's scam.
Maybe. I'm trying to figure out. Maybe there is something on the OBS settings that you can change on the time. But yeah, it's not a scam.
Bro, what is happening with Ethereum, guy? How many billion? What do you mean, how many billion?
Tom Lee results.
Oh, Tom Lee results. Oh my God, that guy, guys. Yes. That guy is sitting in unrealized losses, $12 billion probably.
Maybe less now. Maybe
less. Yes, now it's bouncing back. But you know, I'm always asking about these sharks from Wall Street. They're operating with a huge amount of liquidity, buying, accumulating Ethereum. And the Tom Lee is, he's not a simple guy, actually. He has a very huge experience in JP Morgan analyst. He was a JP Morgan analyst, and now he's like holding so many Ethereums, and that's crazy. I don't know.
I just
it's
joined
such
Telegram.
A huge risk.
Happy to see you here, brother. You joined the crew of legends. Now you can call yourself a legend.
Just joined the Telegram. Welcome, guys.
Rainy, what about funded challenges? Heard from some Latvian traders that it's a pyramid scheme. Your opinion on it? It's not a pyramid scheme and never will be. It's a business made for you to lose money, and funded accounts, it's just the truth, right? But you can make some money from it. If you know what to do, you are disciplined, you have proper risk and money management, and you are sticking to the rules, not over trading more than 1 trade a day or 2 trades a day, and you are being patient, you can have some nice rewards from it. But if you are rushing and trying to make money from it as soon as possible, then you are gambling and you will lose money, and the prop firm will make money from you losing money. So it's a business made for retail money and dumb money to stay there at the prop firms. But if you are being smart with it, then you can make money from it. Yes.
Yo, what's up, guys? Just joined the YouTube. What's going on? So basically, today is a crazy day with a lot of profits. Can you show on the screen again? Because a lot of people tune in. They don't know what's happening. We made crazy profits during the stream as well with the indicator. Yeah, with using indicator, we made how much? $1.6 thousand. $1.6 during the stream. But in general, today we made $32,000 with unrealized profits, of course.
Right now,
$33,000 in profits only today. XNINE community today is just like celebrating. A lot of people took the same trades, and that was amazing. That was amazing. I'm so happy to see all these feedbacks from XNINE members. That makes me happy and motivated to create the content, to create the like, you know, knowledge for people for free. Yeah. Today is really nice day.
$400 more, and it's going to be 34. Yeah, today is a really nice day.
What do you think about Euro USD will do tomorrow?
Not predicting, the markets can't say nothing.
No, today I don't know. We already did our predictions for today. I told you why, because you know there was a pressure on dollar. We know, guys, that dollar bounced back. I don't know, 8-9 days ago from the 4 years lows. Can you show?
Yeah, I will.
That bounce back. Can you show the dollar index?
On the dollar index, yeah. Give me a second.
Let's see the dollar index, guys. Why everything right now, what we see is happening? It's because everything is like, you know, playing around the dollar.
Yeah.
It was so cheap. It was dumping hard.
And it looks it's gonna dump more.
Yeah, but you're looking at which time frame? Do not watch weekly. Watch the 1 hour time frame.
This is the 1 hour time frame.
You see that bounce back? Look, from there. Yeah, and that bounce back was so massive, it impacted gold and silver, and now we just realized that after this bounce back there will be a pressure. That's why we made a lot of profits today on Euro USD. We knew that. Like I wouldn't say we knew that, we just raised our probabilities that it's gonna happen, and it did. It played so well for us.
I just drew all the possibilities of it, so there is a lot of things that could happen on the markets, from reactions and everything and continuations that we cannot predict, guys. For now, Euro US dollar jumped back, and while dollar is going down, Euro US dollar is going to go higher. But I haven't been in Forex Factory today. That's weird. That's weird.
Will you share the indicator in VIP X9 so members can add it their own trading view? Yes, probably we will do that. We need to implement some extra things so can people manage risks properly, and we will give that indicator. Yes, but it takes time. It takes time, guys.
So we have news until Friday. Not many, but we have them, and it could react on dollars.
On Wednesday there is non-farm payrolls, no? Can you check?
Yeah, there is.
So guys, on Wednesday there is a huge news. There is a huge news. We are waiting for this. These news will define what's going to happen till the end of this week.
on Thursday as well. It's not with dollar, but it's with the GBP. There's going to be GDP reports on England.
When is your next live stream? I think we're gonna see if maybe on Friday. Let's see. Someone is asking to make Asian session.
Asia session trading.
So guys, right now there is more than 100 people. Raise your hands if you want to see our trading setups or maybe trading with this indicator during the Asian session. Raise your hands right now. Let's see. If there will be many hands, we're gonna create the Asian session.
Jerome is really nice. Really wants to see the Asia session. Better to go to
Maybe
sleep.
He's probably from Japan.
Hey, see, Kaspar, see? Here's the thing. If you're not sacrificing something, then you will not get something. And if you're not sacrificing your sleep for 1 hour to trade Asia session and possibly get an A+ setup and make some extra money for you that you can have and enjoy and have a better sleep afterwards, it's good. It's up to you. It's up to you. I'm sad, man, because you didn't read my comment.
What is your comment, please? Can you repeat your comment? Jonathan, I'm sorry for that. I know today chat is kind of wild because of this crazy day in profits, and I know I just cannot catch with all the messages. I'm sorry, guys. Really sorry.
An Asia session metals in Asia session for the past, I think, month is bullish in general, but it can change, so don't put a big buck on the Asia session. You can trade it, it's good, but don't overestimate yourself, please. Spread's killing me the first hour, that's why I sleep.
Renis, can we congratulate you with the BMW M3? Yeah, soon you're gonna see the BMW M3. Guys, maybe we can have on our new car plate number X9. What do you think? The plate number X9. Imagine.
It would be insane.
Thank you for changing my trading life. I'm from South Africa. Hope to see you someday, brothers. I'm happy to see you here, for supporting us, and thank you for the trust in X9. What do you think using the indicator like opening trade when the green mark appears and close it when the red appears? Start selling until the green appears. You see, it's not working like that. It's not that simple as you think. It's not that simple. This indicator has a lot of work to do still, but it's working sometimes really perfectly, as you saw.
You need to see the fundamentals and technicals at first, but then the idea that you mentioned, you open the position when it's green, for example longs, and then you close it when the red shows, right? It's a good thing to do, but as I mentioned, we are backtesting still this indicator, and we want that this indicator shows where to close, because most of the times these opposite signals, they are at break even, so there will be zero profit.
Can we agree on that this indicator works really nice on a sideways when there is not a lot of volatility?
Yeah.
I wouldn't trade this indicator during the New York session.
Yeah.
I wouldn't.
Yeah, I wouldn't as well.
But now during this, like in the evening time, it is working really really well.
Hi from Mozambique, Mozambique. What's up, brother?
Today, gold signal was so good, even with a small balance, managed to get really nice profits. So you are in X9, right? You are in X9, sorry. I'm glad you took that trading setup. I'm glad, thank you. Command, but I didn't really.
But yeah, amazing, guys.
It would be a banger BMW M3 competition with X9 plate. Yes, it would be.
It will be. Not it would be, but it will be.
What's the indicator about? Missed the part. You can rewatch stream we just made with this indicator during the stream. 3 profitable trades and 1 losing trade.
Oh. The losing trade could be a winning trade. It was just losing trade because I set too high take profits, but still it went. Let me show you. This one. There was a fast move to the upside, then it consolidated back down and went down, but we opened shorts and we made opposite trade.
Now, one guy mentioned trading with signals is bad long term. I think. Why do you think so? If you implement the right risk management, there is nothing wrong with this.
Yeah, it will be great. We will be great.
It's not about signals. It's not about trading setups. It's about your risk management. If your risk management sucks, it doesn't care what you do.
The last comment is just pure diamonds. The indicator is just a tool that can sometimes confirm your decision. This doesn't mean that it's 100% accurate. It's just a tool that helps sometimes to feel more confident. 100%.
100%.
100%.
That's a really nice quote, let's say. That's a nice quote.
But yeah, what do you think? Let's wrap up the stream with amazing profits.
Yes, let's wrap up the stream. Let's end up with the profits. And guys, if please, right now, everyone who's in the chat, if you want to like see more streams, more content, put the like button. It doesn't cost you anything. For us, it means a lot. Just go and put the like right now. If you put that like, algorithm will find the new community members, more active chat. So please put the like right now. Do not be lazy.
Smash the like
We are not
buttons.
lazy to come to live and share all the information, show you the content completely for free. So just put the like button.
So today, if you would sorry guys, if you would have opened the position in XNINE, which was the buy zone gold, this, where is it? This trade, with 0.01 lot size, you have been made through $30 with 0.01 lot size. That's the minimum. If you would have opened it with 0.1 lot size, it would have been $300, and with 1 lot size, it would be $3,000. So amazing trade, a quick one, 1 hour only, and we made beautiful, beautiful, beautiful results as well. Here, as you can see, where there is only.
So folks, are there any live trading you are expecting right now? I mean, if it meets your setups. Of course, that's why we are here.
Not today. We aren't trading today anymore.
Yeah, today we're not trading anymore. We had 4 trades just using indicator, but in general today we had many trading setups that take profits. We didn't have any losing trades today, right?
We closed losing trade, but we didn't have on XNINE losing trade.
Okay.
The Bitcoin trade.
The Bitcoin trade was the only one. Okay.
Yeah. We were playing around with the algos as well, but everything else, it was just purely blue or green, if you could say.
Can you show the in general December for at least profits
for December?
For December, right?
The whole December, yeah. Give me a second.
Pitorian Gamer, what do you mean? What kind of signals?
So for the December, it was $53,000 in profits, and we took withdrawal of $44,800. So a lot of trades from us, because we just started and we needed to know how to manage the risks, how to manage the positions and everything. But still, hey, it was.
See how many trades we had, and we still made $53,000 in profits.
Yeah,
we actually, for the past 3-4 months, we are always in profits, no matter what. Of course, there was like losing streaks. We lost some weeks. Of course we did, and that's completely normal. Most important when you use our trading setups is to survive, and survive till these days when you can make profits.
So in total on this account, since we started, we have made $70,000 and we have withdrawn $44,800. So right now we are sitting with pure $30,000 in profits in this account, and still let's make some more. Let's make some more.
Once I was in Telegram signals, the error was like 1.0. I don't know what you're referring to, because you're probably doing something wrong, brother.
Gold is ripping, guys. Gold is ripping. But yeah.
Brother, will God...
$9,000 almost unrealized right now. So for today, it's almost $34,000 for today.
$34,000, guys, for today.
Yeah.
What an amazing day. I'm so glad, and I'm beyond grateful for that, right? So guys, always please stay sharp, use your risk management, do not hype a lot, and you can make it to the profits. Same as we did. It was such a really rough start of the February. It was really rough start, but we survived it. Yeah. We didn't blow our account, and we made it to the profits. This is what real trading is: fighting, always consistently sticking to the plan, and then you can see profits in the long term. Yeah. You know, if someone makes a profit in few days, it doesn't mean nothing. But when you make consistently profits 3, 4, 5, 6 months, this is different. This is real trading. Yeah. How do you deal with the taxes? We paid.
You pay the taxes that country is asking you to do. If you don't know how to do it, you can call your tax office wherever you live and no. But I think in Latvia it's 25% income tax.
Yeah,
25%. But yeah, I think we should wrap up this stream, and wish you all the best in this beautiful Monday with all the profits we made together as well. If somebody followed and did the same, congratulations. But yeah.
Someone is saying, so if I get a strategy with a good risk management, I can be profitable, because honestly, fundamental analysis is a lot. I don't get it. I don't get your question. What do you mean?
Don't need fundamentals, just need strategy and risk money management.
If you trade without fundamentals, you are trading with one eye, guys.
No, Asia session won't happen tonight. No, it won't happen tonight in any way or circumstances. It will happen, but not tonight, guys.
So the guy which I'm sorry for this.
Yeah, no worries.
So the guy which was saying about bad return of RR, right?
Yeah.
It wasn't our group. So it wasn't XNINE, right? Pitorian Gamer. I'm sorry, it wasn't XNINE, right?
I don't mean you. Yeah. %40 income tax in India for trading income.
Damn.
That's insane. Yeah, hey, if you don't want to pay the 40%, the thing is, move out. Move out.
In trading, 80% risk. Risk takers are the money makers.
50% in Canada.
What do you mean by risk takers? If you do not manage your risk properly, it doesn't mean it makes no sense how much you make in one trade. Because without risk management, in 10 trades you will be out of the game. It will be game over for you, no matter what. Okay, let's give some noise.
Let's hear some noise, guys, in the chat, so we can really have some motivation for the next streams.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.
See you soon.